guys, it's the VFX here again, and I'm back with an episode on Traders Talk. On this episode, it's a very quick episode. I just want to break down my charts for you and show you how I personally analyze the market, how I break down my own charts. Right now, the market is very juicy. It's giving a whole lot of opportunities. So I'm going to be showing you my expectation on Gold GBP and also a trade I took on AUD. I'm going to be showing you those pairs right now and break them down for you. And you can see the market is for real. It is very juicy, like right now, just giving a whole lot of opportunities, and I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity. It is a very good opportunity to take a trade this period. So let's, without wasting much time, let me just dive right in my chart. So I said before I show you how I personally break down the market, I want to show you the trade I took on AUD. So you can see AUD has been like setting up nicely. Like you can see a very good sell opportunity. I don't think anybody wants to be going long on AUD. Like AUD set, it was like a very perfect trade for a sell. You can see this is my weekly zone. It got here, AUD got here. Let me just break it down for you. AUD, that is AU, go here and form this engulfing candle. Like it just formed this engulfing candle. Not only forming an engulfing candle, broke this other zone while forming an engulfing candle. And also AUD went, like it's trying to pull back up on the weekly time frame, try to continue the trend twice, but couldn't continue the trend. Instead, it was like just bunch of weeks. So just let's just scale down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can see from the daily time frame. You don't have to like club it, like put a lot of things on your chart. Just make it simple and understand what you're saying. You can see daily time on a daily time frame. You saw this double top on that my zone. And once you see a double top is a pattern for like reversal to the downside, right? Double bottom is a pattern of reversal to the upside. So you can see a double top here on the daily time frame. So what am I expecting? Like a very nice sell. Very nice sell opportunity. I was just waiting. Then I drew my trend line from here to this. Let me just note and show you. So I drew my trend line here. You can see on the daily time frame, I drew my trend line. And you can see when AUD came down. It came down, reversed, like tried to go up again. So you can see the week 1, 2, 3, like for how many days? It was like weeks. It couldn't break above this zone. So I was just waiting for, I knew AUD was going to go for a sale. I was just waiting for a very good confirmation for me to enter the trade. I was just waiting. You see, in trading, you have to have this patience. If you don't have this patience, you won't make it in trading. That's just the thing. Patience and psychology. You see, it came here, didn't break, came down here to this my zone, reverse back, didn't break, and broke my trend line with an engulfing candlestick. It broke my trend line with an engulfing candlestick. Wow, that is like a very good confirmation. Not only did it break my trend line, it broke my zone again. So I was just waiting. When scaled down to the lower time frame, I saw AUD created another double top, formed another double top here and here. You can see the highlights. I highlighted it here and here. Broke the zone, retested it, came down here and reversed and gave another sell opportunity. So I took this trade here, down here, for a very good sell opportunity. So you can see overall target. You can see it here. I said it's overall target for myself. So once Unity AUDS go here, you can see this two arrow. AUDS can come in and reverse back up to this zone or break this zone and head lower. So now you can see AUD has already given me another opportunity for my sale. Right now, I'm just waiting for an engulfing candle on this my zone. Let me remove this. On this zone, I'm waiting for an engulfing candle on this zone for AUD, and I'll put a short position for me to my next weekly target. That is like 141 pips. It's like just like this. This is how I'm going to just do it. 1 to 4, I'm going to get a very, very nice risk reward. You can see how it is just sessing. Like you just have to chill, relax, and let the market do its thing. That's how you make it in this market. You can see. So this is my chart on ADS. That's what I just that's the trade that I took. You can see how I alerted everything. I broke everything down, gave you how I personally how I used to break my chart before I take a trade. So let me just go to my good charts because on my GPSD because I'm on a trade right now. It's two positions each on gold and GPSD. So let me go to my GPSD chart. I'll show you. So on my GPSD charts, you can see GPSD. I entered this trade with a Fibonacci. You can see with the help of a Fibonacci, I entered this trade. How did I enter this trade? Let me break it down for you how I entered that trade. A GPSD came, you can see GPSD came to this weekly zone. GPSD came to this weekly zone here, did not break above, formed an engulfing, a very, very long engulfing candle here, broke about two zones while forming the engulfing candle. Let's go down to the daily time frame. GPSD reversed, started in reversal, like a retracement, not a reversal though. A retracement here, didn't break above here, and again gave an like formed another engulfing candle here, broke this zone. So as GPSD broke this zone, I was just waiting for because I trade from zone to zone. So I was waiting for price to retrace either to this zone or to this last low here, that is this low, for me to get a confirmation either here. I was going to check the trade if GPSD has retraced to this box here and started like give me a very, very good opportunity for itself, but it did not. Instead GPSD went back up, continue like so. I knew that my next target for a sale was going to be here since GPSD didn't give a very, very good opportunity at this last low. So GPSD came down and retraced back to this zone. So I just drew my Fibonacci for my swing low here. You can see it. Let me just put the time here for my swing low here to my swing high, swing high to my swing low here. You can see and 0.618 GPSD formed, gave a bearish presence, and I took the trade from there all the way. I'm shorting it. Up about one. I'm currently up about. I'm checking. I'm currently up about almost $170 because 0.1 lot size I used $170. You can see I lost this first trade because why I told you I was waiting for GPSD to retrace up here. Let me show you. I was waiting for GPS to retrace to that last low and give me a very good confirmation. That was why I lost this trade because why I thought GPS was going to give me a confirmation at that last low, but no. You see, it reversed, like it retraced up and gave me a good confirmation here. So that was then. Now I'm in trade. So let's just we see in like this trade is going to hit my target. If it's going to hit my target, it's going to hit it in the next, that should be next week. Then that's that on GBSD. Then for gold, gold is like another trade that is very, very, very juicy. Gold is very, very juicy right now. For gold, yeah, you can see gold is trading below this line, 1.829 zone. Let me just put that 1.830. So because that's how the bank trade. They trade in round number. They don't trade in 1.29, 1.40, 1.45, 1.50, 1.55, 1.60. That's how bank trades. So let me just put as 1.30 zone. That's where gold is trading below. And I waited for this trade to close on the daily time frame below this zone. You can see gold has been forming big. It has not closed below this zone. So I was waiting for gold to close below this zone, and I'll take the trade down to this my next weekly zone. That was what I was waiting for. And gold closed below the zone yesterday, and I took the trade today. Today immediately gold after gold retraced back up, and I took the trade. Now for this trade is tricky here. For gold to head further down, like to hit this my target, my weekly zone, for gold to hit it. If if I was conservative enough, like I didn't want to enter early, gold has to break this my zone. Gold has to break this zone here. This is my daily zone, daily time frame zone. You can see it. My minor zone. This is like my major zone. This weekly zone is my major zone. This is my major zone. This is a major zone. This is a major zone. So gold has to break this my minor zone for me to be confident. Okay, gold. Once gold can break this zone, just know gold is heading. We heard it here first. Once gold is going to break this zone, gold is heading down here to this my weekly zone. We heard it here first to 1.801. Gold is heading there if gold can break this zone. And you can see it. You can see it has been weeks. Like it came here, didn't close here, went back up, came back again. It did not. It's not closing. Like it is from rejecting this zone. You can see it. So that's I'm telling you. If you are going to take this trade, if you can be patient enough, I'm already in the trade, yes, but I won't add any position yet. I will add a position immediately gold breaks this my zone. I'll add a position immediately gold breaks here for a sale. I'll add a position here. That is the only time I'll add positions for my trade. So once gold breaks here, I'll add a position down here like this. This I'll just trade it. Once gold breaks that this is my minor zone, I'll add a position. So if you are patient, if you can be patient enough, wait for gold to break this zone. This zone. Just wait for gold to break this 1.820 zone. If gold can break this 1.820 zone, you are free to trade gold for a short. And it will obviously go back to it will obviously go to 1.801. You heard it here first. If gold can break 1.820, gold is heading to 1.801. And once gold breaks 1.801, there are other zones gold will head to. So I will like analyze it later and show you. So that is my trade. But I'm in a position already. Yes, I'm in two positions. I won't like it's a risky position. I won't tell anybody to enter this trade right now because right, we are still trying to be conservative. I like capital perseverance. Like you have to preserve your capital. It's very, very good. For you to preserve your capital, gold has to break here. Let's you just have to relax and wait for the market to do its thing. Let's go break here and we take this sell. We can take this sell position down here. It is very, very good. And that and sweet for you to just take that position on it. So that is the chart I just want to break down. Gold, GBP, AUD. I'll see you in another episode on Trader Stock.